Hello, Mary. Good evening. Hello, Mary. Good evening. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, Mary. Can you hear me? Me? Hello, Mary. Can you hear me? Hello, Mary. Good evening.
Hello,
Hello,
teacher.
Mary. Okay, there you go. All right. So, how are you today?
I'm good.
How are you? Wow, very good, Mary. Can you hear me well?
Yeah.
Very good. So, by the way, Mary, today we're going to continue with Unit 4.1. So we're going to continue learning with the words from our vocabulary. Now look, listen, and repeat. We have here,
Cow,
okay,
Towel.
say
cow,
towel.
Towel.
Very
Towel.
good.
toothbrush,
Yeah. Toothbrush.
Great job.
toothpaste,
Great. Okay, now look, Mary. What is it?
Um. Towel.
Yes, it's a towel. So we use a towel after we take a shower to dry our hair and body. Okay, now look. What is it?
A toothbrush.
Yes, it's a toothbrush. So we use a toothbrush to brush our teeth and to clean our teeth. Okay, so what color is your toothbrush, Mary?
It's green.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, how many times do you brush your teeth?
Mm, White.
How many times?
Oh, white.
Just once a day?
White.
All right. Now look, what is it? It's
This
a,
is a toothpick.
that's right, Mary. So we use a toothpaste when we brush our teeth so that it will be very clean. Okay. Now this time, Mary, let's check if you learned something from last week and tonight. Are you ready to play this game?
Yeah.
Okay. So all you have to do is to choose a key to unlock the door. So you have to be careful because some keys will give you points and some keys will deduct some points to you. It's all about furnitures and fittings. Let's start. Da-da-da-ding, da-ding. Okay. Now look, Mary, what is it?
This this is um this is cage.
That's right. Now, Mary, what color of the key do you want to open the door?
Hey, I know.
Okay, very good. Green,
Red.
red. Ta-da-da-ding, ta-ding. Oh no, minus two
Ah,
points. So you've got minus two, negative two. Okay, now look at this one. What's this?
this is an armchair. I choose a green tie.
Okay, green key. Let's open. Ta-da-da-ding, ta-da. Oh no, minus 3 points. Okay, what about this one? What is it?
This is uh uh um 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 baseball
It's a,
play baseball player.
okay, look, what is it? It's a,
Mm, Baseball
it's a bat, a
bat.
baseball bat. Okay, now which color do you want to open the door?
Uh, blue.
Blue. Ta-da-da-ding, ta-ding. Oh no, better luck next time, Mary. That's minus 4 points. You don't have a point yet, but it's already minus four. Now look, what is it?
It's a bouquet.
That's right. Now, which color of the key do you want to choose?
The blue.
Blue. Okay. Ta-da-da-ding, wow, very good. So you've got 3 points. So that's gonna be negative one left. Okay. Now look, Mary, what's this?
It's a map.
That's right. Okay, now which color do you want?
Lavender red.
Wow, you want the red one. Here it is, Mary. Oh,
Ah,
that's minus 2 points. Okay. What about this one? What is it?
it's a laptop.
That's right. Now, which color do you want to open?
Uh, red.
Red. Ta-da-da-ding, ta-ding. Oh
Ah,
no. That's minus 4 points. All right. Now look, what is it?
It is a mirror.
Very good. Okay, now, which key do you want to use to open?
I want to use blue.
Wow, you want blue. Let's see. Ta-da-da-ding, ta-ding. Oh no, that's minus 1 point. All right. Now look, what is it?
This comic.
All right. It is a comic. Now, which color of the key do you want to use to open the door?
Green.
Green. Let's see if green is lucky. Here it is. Oh no. We've got 7 points. It's all right, Mary. More to go. Look, what's this?
This a plant.
That's right. It is a plant. Now, which color of the key?
Red.
Red. Da-da-da-dang, da-dang. Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
That's still 9 minus 2 points. Okay, now look, what is it?
This is the towel.
Very good. It's a blanket. Okay, so which color of the key?
Mm,
Red, blue,
Blue.
or green? Blue.
Blue.
Oh, try again, Mary. I'll give you another chance.
Green.
Which one? Green. Oh, it's worse. Okay, so I will only deduct you with 1 point. Okay, let's try the red one. Wow, that's 3 points. Okay, now what about this one? What is it?
This is green.
Okay, it's a toothpaste. So let's open green. Very good. So 10 minus 3, that's 7. Okay. Now what about this one, Mary? What is this?
That's a helmet.
Very good. So which color do you want to open?
I want blue.
Blue. Ta-da-da-da. Oh no, we're back to 9 points. Okay, so I will give you another chance. Which one?
Red. Red.
Red. Oh no, that's 9 points still. Okay, so you've got, how about this? What is this?
The toothbrush.
Very good. So which door or which key
Um,
do
red.
you want? Green? Red? Okay, red.
Red.
Da-da-da-da.
Red.
Wow, very good. So you've got minus 6 points. Okay.
Yay!
Now what about this one? What is it?
This bed.
Very good. So which color of the key?
Mm, Blue.
Blue. Are you sure?
Blue.
Okay, you are so sure. So let's open. Ta-ding, 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 ting, ting, ting. Wow, great choice. That is minus 3 points. Very good, Mary. Okay, now look. What's this?
This a chair.
Nice. So which color of key do you want to open?
I want green.
Green. Is that for sure?
Yeah.
All right, let's open. Ting, 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 ting. Wow, well done. So now you are back to 0. Very good. Okay, now look, what is it?
This table lamp.
Yes. So which color of the key do you want to open?
I want to open the red.
Red
Red.
one. Da-da-da-dang, da-dang. Uh-oh. Nice try. Okay, we are back to -2. Now look, what is it? What is it, Mary?
The toilet.
It's a toilet. Great, it's a toilet. Now, look, which color of the key do you want to open?
I want blue.
Blue. Ta-da-da-ding, ta-ding, ta-ding. Wow, very good. So you've got 1 point. Nice, Mary. Okay, now look, what's this?
The sofa.
Great. So which color do you want to open?
I want to open red.
Red. Da-da-da-dang, ta-dang. Wow. You're so lucky. You've got 4 points. Okay, now look. What is it?
Shower.
That's right. Which color of the key do you want to open?
Green. Green.
Green. Ta-da-da-dang, ta-dang. Nice try. It's all right. You still have 2 points. Okay, now look. What is it?
It's a desk.
Very good. Okay, so which color do you want to open?
I want to open the green. Green. Green.
Green, right? Which color? You want green?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the green. Ta-da-da-dang, ta-dang. -1. Okay. Now, look. Oh, so congratulations. You've got 1 point. So that means I'm gonna give you 1 star, Mary. Better than no star at all. Okay. Now this time, this is a chance for you to get more stars. All right. Now look, let's match. What is number 1?
This bat.
It's a bat. Can you match it?
Yeah.
Very good, Mary.
Picture. Batman.
Wow. Very good.
Batman.
Let me see. Bat. Map of the world.
Batman.
Nice. Comic.
Comic book and a Batman.
Very good. Well done, Mary. So for this one, easy peasy. You've got 6 out of 6. So of course, I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. All right. What about this one, Mary? Oh,
Yeah.
I cannot click. Ah, so for this one, you're going, oh no. Okay. So look, for this one, Mary, what are we going to do? Oh, there's already an answer. Ah, so in here, I want you to look and answer my question instead because there's already an answer in here, so we're not going to match. Okay, now where is the bat, Mary? Where is the bat?
The bird is in front of the bed. Bed.
Very good. Okay, now where is the bathtub?
The it's uh, 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 on the table.
Wow. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. The bathtub. Where is the bathtub?
Mm, It's on the table.
Is it on the table? Bathtub. Look, it's in the
In the
bathroom.
bathroom.
Okay, now look. Where is the map of the world?
Um, is above the wall.
Very good. Okay, now where is the cage?
It mm, is
Yes,
on the bookcase.
great job. Okay, now look. Where is the laptop?
Hmm. Oh, it's on the table.
Very good, Mary. Wow. Okay, now where is the shower?
Um, mm, yes, next to the bed. Next to the
Nice.
bed.
Okay, now last one. Where is the clock?
It's on the wall. Wall.
Very good. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stars. Nice, Mary. Okay, now this time, Mary, we're going to look and put the words to the correct category. So what are the things that we can see in the bedroom and the bathroom? Now look and put it all. Okay, now laptop. Where can you put the laptop?
I can put laptop in the bedroom.
That's right. Very good, Mary. Okay. Now, what about the toothpaste?
I can put your space in the bedroom.
Great job. Okay. Now, what about the toothbrush?
I can put toothbrush in the bedroom.
Amazing. What about the shower?
I can put a shower in the bedroom.
Very good, Mary. Wow. Okay. Now, what about the towel?
I can put the towel in the bedroom.
Nice. And lastly, what about the blanket?
I can put the blanket in the bedroom.
Well done, Mary. Wow. You've got it all correct. Now, what else do we put in the bedroom and in the bathroom? Can you give me
Toilet.
three? Wait a minute.
Toilet.
Can you wait a minute? Can you give me three things that we put inside the bedroom?
A bed. A table. A chair.
Very good. Okay. Now, what about in the bathroom?
Mm. Mm.
What about in the bathroom? For example, a toilet. What else?
Uh, A bat, a toilet, a sink, a sink.
Very good. That's right, Mary. So for this one, you've got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. Nice, Mary. Now let's play a game. So this game is all about a moving house. So look at the children. This is Ted and wait a minute. So look. So in here, we've got two children. You're going to help them move their things. Are you ready to play?
Yeah,
Great. Now look, what is it?
there's a bed.
Okay, so where do we put the bed?
We put the bed in the study. Study.
Are you sure?
Study. Yeah.
Okay, nice try, Mary. We put it in the bedroom. Okay, now look, what is it?
There's a sofa.
Okay, where do we put the sofa?
We can do the bedroom.
Mm. Nice try, Mary. We put it in the living room. Okay, now look, what is it?
Uh,
What is it, Mary?
This is the bed.
Yes,
We
it is a
put,
bathtub. Now, where do we put it?
we put in the bedroom.
Wow, very good. Okay, now what about this one, Mary? Ta-da-da-dang, ta-da! Broom, broom. What's this?
This is the desk.
Nice. Okay, now what do
Look
we
at the
put
study. We do the
in the
study.
study? Very good, Mary. Okay, what about this one? What is it?
It's the table. We
Wow,
put the
nice.
dining room.
We put it in the
Dining room.
dining room. That's right, Mary. Okay. What about this one? What is it?
This the the um I don't know.
It's a closet or a wardrobe. Where do we put the wardrobe?
But one room in the bedroom.
That is correct. Very good. All right. Now, what about this one, Mary? What is it?
This is the fridge. Fridge. Fridge.
Wow,
Fridge.
that's
Fridge.
right. Where do we put the fridge?
We put the fridge in the kitchen.
Amazing. All right. Now, last one. What is it?
It's an armchair. We put in the living room.
Well done, Mary. So for that one, Mary, you've got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Are you ready to count your stars, Mary?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's count. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, no,
15,
15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
19, 20,
19, 20,
21,
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
Okay, so you've got 29 stars. Well done, Mary. Thank you so much for joining our class. I hope you learned something and I hope you remember all the things that we reviewed today. Have a good night and see you next time. Bye bye, Mary.
Bye, teacher.